Fire Dispatch District 1, your apparatus is requested. 97 Edgefield Drive on a dryer fire. That's Fire Dispatch District 1. Your apparatus is requested. 97 Edgefield Drive on a dryer fire. Be advised there's a 95-year-old female in the home. Timeout 0729.
Every year, thousands of homes catch on fire because of clothes dryers and a preventable problem with them. With a look at what's causing them and how to keep your home safe, here's Action 13 consumer investigator Jeff Ealing.
This fire started in the dryer vent, and this home was destroyed by a fire that started in a clothes dryer. Fire officials say lint had built up in the dryer's ducts and caught fire. To prevent tragedies like these from happening in your home, it's essential to clean the lint from your dryer's ducts and lint trap. Consumer Reports tested a new infomercial product.